What's up everybody? My name is Reggie Cox and welcome to this video where I'm going to explain you the #1 selling product in Korea, wheel and tire cleaner by Mafra. Before we start, a couple of things. Make sure that the surface of the treated surface is going to be very cool and dry. And for that, we're going to use the wheel and tire cleaner. As you can see, the product is ready to use. That means we can immediately start using it. 2 tips for me. You'll have here on the front a foaming agent that we are going to use on the tire. Then we are going to use the foam sprayer and remove it and make the spray on top of the wheel. After that, we are going to agitate the surface with the wheels, a little bit with the brush, and the big one for the rims. And this will help us get rid of the stubborn dirt that will be loosened by the chemical itself. Let's go! Why we like the foam for the wheels? We most likely want to remove the foaming cap like this, and then we will generate a spray to use for the wheels. This way we will save product and have maximum efficiency of the product on the surface. Remember, keep it cool and don't let dry. And because we are using a very powerful but balanced detergent, we are going to agitate, is what we call agitation, to loosen the dirt and then rinse off. And then we're done. If you're already in this area, you are not only going to clean the wheel, you're most likely going to clean the entire car. While you are in this region, it might be a very smart idea to treat the inside of the wheel wells also with the wheel and tire. Put on the foam cap, spray into the foam, scrub the surface, rinse off, and you're done. Using the foam, because the foam is most likely to stick to the surface better than the spray is going to do. Give us more time to work with and then rinse off. First part of decontamination is done. Korea's #1 seller, wheel and tire cleaner by Mafra. My name is Reggie Cox. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.